at the Gardens by the Bay today. It's a Friday and the time is about 6:30. Let's go explore how the super trees and the Gardens by the Bay looks like. And this park is about 250 acres in size, and if you want to explore this entire park it might take one whole day. It's not very crowded today, obviously due to the COVID reasons. Otherwise this park will be always crowded with all the tourists and the travelers. But now whoever we see here are all the localites. There are three major attractions there in the Gardens by the Bay. One is the super tree. So whatever you see here is a super tree. So this is only the entrance, and there are many other super trees the other side. We will go explore that place. The other one is the flower dome. We will not be exploring that place today, we will do on another day. And there is cloud forest as well. So we will be exploring only the super trees today. So you can see the entrance to the cloud forest and to the flower dome. I just came here to show these two places. Cloud forest here and the flower dome here. This place is more crowded than what I anticipated. I see a lot more people than what I was expecting. Also, this month the Singapore government is giving $100 vouchers to all the Singaporeans just for exploring these tourist attractions, because there are no travelers from outside. The government is encouraging the locals to go travel around and to visit all these attractions, and the government is indeed paying the money for that as well, which is a good thing. This is the flower dome. You can see this is a very unique construction, and it's a architecture marvel. A lot of people also do come here for their daily walks and exercises. These are actually huge steel structures which actually holds, I think, the roof of this flower dome. It's a very unique construction if you look at this. That's a Singapore fire. We'll be visiting that place as well very soon. What you see right behind this flower dome is the famous Marina Bay Sands hotel, and whatever you see on the top is the infinity pool. That's a huge swimming pool. the sad thing is the light show is no more happening due to the COVID. And what I heard was until they get a green light from the tourism board, they will not be able to start the light show again. Hence, we can only shoot this much for now. Let's go and look around to see if there is anything else open during this time. There are a few restaurants open, and there are people as well, but not many. All these restaurants are actually occupied. I'm not sure is this a situation every day or it's this crowded only because it's a Friday today. Maybe. Nothing much to explore today otherwise, so maybe we can wind up for the day. And thanks for watching.